Well, hello. Welcome to Mad Kosher. Today is one of those days that's going to be a really dope day. I'm here at a dealership, bringing home a new toy. I'll get back to you in a little bit. We'll catch up. Ha 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 ha. Let's go, baby. All right, let's get this freaking thing off. I'm about sick of wearing those things. What a weird time, eh? Well, all right. We are back. We are out of the dealership. Pockets are a little lighter. Wallet is a lot smaller. But we got one of those. I legitimately probably called 15 or 20 places. Nobody in New York has them. Nobody in Pennsylvania has them. Nobody in Ohio has them. I found one little dealership in Pennsylvania. Nobody's ever even heard of the place, and they had one. So I am now the proud owner of a brand new Honda CRF 110, and we are gonna get crazy. We've got some good stuff coming for this vlog, vlog 17, baby. Mad Kosher. Whoa. Mad Kosher, we are back. It's a beautiful day. Super stoked. Yesterday, I finally found my Honda 110. Had to drive a couple hours to go get it. I could not find them anywhere, but I'm stoked. I finally got the thing. And honestly, what would a fresh pit bike be without a fresh track? So, called in my boy Dustin Carley. He brought his dozer up. He's actually pushing down some trees right now, getting it ready. But we're gonna build a whole new pit bike track up here. So we're gonna keep the original layout that we had, the one that Uncle Tommy's always ripping the big berms on. We're keeping that original course, but we're building a whole new layout. So we're gonna actually have two separate tracks and probably a little jump line. So later today, this and all that back there will look a whole lot different. We're gonna take and clear this right out. Mad Kosher, baby. Vlog 17, let's get it. Ooh, progress is getting made on the course. We are looking tight. This is just the start of it, boys.
Corn nuts, dog. Real good.
What's up, dude?
What up, dog?
Coming to help out? You got a shovel?
Yeah. I could probably make one.
All right, sick. Yeah! Look at this guy, friggin' pinning it. Might have to hang up the skis and get a dirt bike there, Johnny. Yeah!
Looking to fucking try to make a gate too.
Ah, that'd be sick.
Yep. Get a fifth person in there to stop that bitch.
Getting kind of hungry, dude.
Chickens, extra pickle, extra mayo.
Oh, McDonald's?
Hitting right now. It's gonna hit.
All right. Oh, all right.
Got a bump, son.
Fucking bump, son.
But we got this too. To keep the bump, son.
You're putting new music on CDs?
Oh, of course. That's the new waves. Proud sponsor.
got a nicer machine than me for a change.
Yeah. Oh, we got a battle. Looks like I'm gonna have to get a new bike.
There's another one here. And this actually comes into your jump line. So you can come off of these and then come into a jump line.
Right. Right into that big old booter. Dude, these rollers are gonna be sick though.
Good morning. Got a little bit of sun yesterday.
All right, back out here, we got some mounds of dirt. Now it's time for some handwork. We're gonna shape these puppies out. Look at this guy. Of course he's got a claw. What else would he be drinking? What else would this guy be doing besides drinking claws, driving around with his pit bike in the back of the truck, shining that dome? Let's go!
Look at that freshie.
This guy with the freshie. This thing's sick, dude. Got the number plate on the motor already, real factory.
Oh yeah.
Gotta let him know.
AutoZone, carbon fiber, carb. Got that VP race gas in her.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. It requires 95 plus.
On the bike, eh? First timer. All right, first hit. Test job, Benny. Clean! Clean! This guy's just all over the place.
Whoops, wrong turn. I think I can get up there. And if I don't make it, what's the worst thing that could happen?
Oh, fuck. Not yet. That's the problem.
What, you don't think I could do it on the CRF?
It's a fucking big job.
Getting the shot.
That's right. When you want to fucking jump, show one. I remember doing burns for my dirt bike. Take a shovel. Holy fuck.
It feels nice once it's on, though.
If you get hurt, we're gonna have to take a fucking sod.
How is she?
Sick.
Smooth?
Smooth.
Dude, you like butter.
Giving that this landing's not really a landing.
Oh! That could have been bad. Too many White Claws.
Oh shit. I keep setting. Oh. Why did it do that? Yeah! Right to the ball. Right to the ball. Yeah, that's what I want.
No, there's two different kinds. He sits in a cart. And the fan is built to the cart.
Yeah, and it fills.
That's what I want.
You fire it up and it fills
yeah.
the chute up and it comes up overhead. Then you take off.
That's a paraplane.
He's got a two-seater. He should ride it, go on the back.
What are the ones, I swear people fly around on that
They do. That's a different one.
That's what I want.
Backpack.
I don't think I want the cart.
You don't want the cart. You're talking about the backpack.
Yeah,
because
I want to
it's
like.
a backpack and you're standing there with the fan on your back.
Yeah, just freaking
Same
coasting.
thing, yep.
Yeah,
I think
drinking claws.
Without
when
the
you
cart.
take
Way
off,
up in the
you
sky.
kinda jog.
Bag over it.
I had the bag over the fucking.
Over the top of the engine.
After it started raining, so who even knows if it's still holding up.
gas.
Sprayer with that fucking.
That's kind of a sick box.
Thread lock. Oh, dude, that thing. I paid $100 for that. I work on my Harley and this just with that toolbox.
Nice.
If I need to get the big crescent wrench off the wall, though, I will. For sale, $2,600. 2,600. It's all fucking flooded out over here.
You'll make it. Just a little.
Fuck that.
Hit it from the outside.
Dude, you got it for sure.
Oh, we're flooded out over here big time.
No, you got it though.
Your
Give
helmet.
this, dude.
I'll hit the transfer over there. All right. Gnarlier.
Yeah, you should probably put on a helmet. This kid's helmet's freaking gone. Oh, nice, out in the rain. Oh, yeah, he ain't wearing that. Oh! The hot lap! Hot lap's fucked! Too many claws! Too many claws! Ah! Too many claws! You're just starting to look good too.
I think it's time to hit the doubles.
You better shut her down, Dennis.
I can't hang on right now.
Do it for a power walk.
I think I bent my bars. Definitely bent my bars. Patch her up.
What blood? There's no blood.
There's a little under there. Nothing big. Catch me on that four-wheel drive four-wheeler in the swamp. Bottom of the creek and it was working just fine.
8 up, you said?
But yeah, I got the 8+.
But now my fucking screen's all.
Mud's dripping
Oh,
off the
she's
bike over
all
there.
chipped up.
Fucking chunk just. Got to be about 20 pounds heavier.